What have I achieved since coming to MPH? I've achieved a good relationship with food. I know what to eat, when to eat and how to eat it. I've learned how to use everything within the gym. I've learned that there is an actual process to getting a good body, and I've learned how to be happy. My name's Rod. I came to MPH really to learn how to use the equipment in the gym, to lose a bit of weight, get back myself into some form. I had the fitness, but I just needed to learn a bit more about how to use the gym and get rid of that fear I had. I'd recommend MPH to others really just because it's a good little family out here. It's not just about me and I'm not just a number, it's about everyone that comes in. You get to meet a whole lot of great people, not just the trainers, but a whole lot of others that are on the same journey as you. And I definitely recommend the fact that they are here and got your best interest at heart.